Right at your house, Robbie.
Fuck you, Robbie. Hey, yo, Rabies, what you gonna do about this? You on a boat right now with your family? I'm like this in your crib. Swimming.
3 legs. Where's you even go 1 leg at? Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's on the front. It's on the front. I forgot.
How much am I?
What just happened, man?
How much cash am I gonna be making on this?
I mean, a decent amount.
A decent amount of cash.
Yeah, a decent amount.
Unlock your car. You're making cash.
Why is your beanie on?
Oh, is it cash?
It's cash my bag.
How you feeling, big guy?
Fucking great.
Ben,
What?
where we at?
We're at fucking Robbie's crib, man. Here, let me give you an MTV Cribs tour. So. Alright, so. Oh, wait.
There you go. There you go.
MTV Cribs?
So, MTV Cribs. First, we have Rylan, the crib of them all.
You seeing this?
Oh, yeah, 3 legs per dog.
3 leg. I call them a tripod because if you put a camera.
You already know we got the Christmas tree.
Shout out Hanukkah though. If
Yeah,
you're Jewish, we still love you.
Yes. Alright.
Even Peck.
Alright, guys, we've entered Chud's room.
Is that Chody's room?
Is this Chody's room? Fuck yes, this is Chody's room.
Chody's room personally.
Yeah, come check out Chody's room.
I hobbled
Yes,
up
sir.
here. Oh,
Yeah,
it's pretty tough.
Pretty lit. Quite the jack off spot, if you ask me. He's got a yield sign.
Honestly.
I personally helped him steal the yield sign.
There's Rabies. Handsome
Look,
young
we're
lad
in here.
right there.
We're in here.
Oh, they got in.
We're in Rabies' laboratory.
He's good.
Here's Trump.
He's finally
I
passed.
didn't know it's Trump.
Passed out. Drunk. It's dangling. Look at this. Check this out with the camera, man. It's dangling.
That's some rabies shit, ain't it?
That is some rabies shit.
straight
Right there. This is
rabies
Rabies' room.
Bro,
Rabies'
Rabies
room.
is a bitch.
Yo, you let this bitch kind of fucking.
Messy.
Not bad though. Not bad for rabies. The bed's
I'm
unbalanced.
gonna nut in these
the boots
shoes.
are right.
Jake, can we get a post-game interview?
Don't show the table. Don't show the
Sit on yo. Benjamin, you don't wanna. You spat on me, mister!
Yeah.
Damn,
baby,
the dogs are really barking. The dogs are barking. That's what I'm saying.
Dogs are barking, and I'm outside.
Yeah,
They're like,
it is fight
"What's up
night
with it?"
tonight.
Hold up. Hold up. Go get it, dogs. Like Ben. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Hold this.
The champion! The champion!
Why are you trying to do the booty hole grip? Booty hole man.
That's what I thought he was going for, was the booty hole. That's why
No, I went for my head. I didn't know it was like.
Bro, the dog shit smells.
How you doing, bud? I need my piece. He needs his beanie, I think.
Yeah, that boy ain't.
That's his piece.
Boy, the
That's his
same
piece.
as beanie.
Need the beanie?
My beanie before I throw up.
Alright, we're going to get the beanie so you don't throw up. Alright, let's take Hickey's beanie.
Tyler, make sure that shot's on the way. See?
Where did he go?
Oh my god, he's out there.
Oh,
With the tripod?
Shit!
live in the flesh. What's going on over here?
I'm taking a drunk piss.
Buddy, I got your beanie. I got your piece. I got your piece.
Oh!
Oh shit. Gas run.
Gas,
Gas run.
gas.
Gas run complete. Yes, sir. You know how to pour gas?
No, it's like leaking out like the.
Word. Yes, sir.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I hit it the wrong way. I'm so used to the other way.
About to struggle pushing it through this mud.
On the way. We're on the way. We're on the way
Is it in neutral?
to make some clips.
Oh boy. Oh my god, that is scary.
It's terrible. You gotta start it with the goddamn aloe key. She starts. Number 69.
Right over there, you got it. We ever ridden anything with a clutch?
Technically, no.
Okay. Just wait until we get out there. Slippery as a motherfucker, dude. Oh shit. When I started building this, I was tripping my dick off, dude. Really? Yeah. Funny as fuck. H from Shrooms came out here all day on the tractor. You hit it this way. Dude, your tire definitely isn't like
Alive?
yeah. I can tell. It's definitely not alive.
Yeah,
bro.
so like, do a tactical.
Well, I don't know how you fucking hit it. What? I tried to hit it. I couldn't get no air. Slippery as a bitch out, it's bro. No
I was trying to get traction.
Trying to clear it. He can only get like 3/4.
I can't get a good speed up. That's why I can't hit it. I can hit it. How far did I get on that?
Like halfway.
Hey!
We fucked it up. We fucked it up.
But if you really care about your friend, why the fuck?
What the?
Right out with my AR to shoot that motorcycle for him.
Oh man.
I'll put it in the back field all the way by the back fence. I'll shoot it from up here.
I'm not gonna sue, and I'm encouraging my parents not to sue.
He said, I'm encouraging my parents not to sue.
Slap dog! What's good? It's good. We got the baby on the bike. Baby on the bike. Donuts here! Oh, what's up? Stalled. Let's tell Colin to hit the jump. Oh, that was tough as fuck.
What's going on tonight?
Riding dirt bikes.
Riding dirt bikes. Damn right.
You're not saying.
Do it.
Get those into your boots. Go run after.
Who is that?
That's a neighbor.
Yeah,
You know that little pit?
it's for the
Just do it
vlog,
in there.
bro.
What's wrong with
No.
Kiss
It's for the Baller Productions.
Alan would love this.
Yes, it was.
This. I just got those.
But you still put it in the mud though.
Oh yeah,
There's mud on.
Oh, this shit's about to die. It's now or never.
How much are they?
Sling them in there.
Oh!
Shane, give me that shit.
Billy looked like he shit his pants.
Are they washable?
No,
If I would have fell in that water, I would have been pissed.
they're not even washable.
They're not even washable.
That's fucked up.
Why you do that?
Good, you trying to
They're
touch me.
so ugly. No, I
Yeah,
didn't.
you did.
No, I didn't.
Back up, bitch.
What? What am I doing?
Bro, I was fucking in your face.
That's just Shane. It's not even a chain.
That's my pearls, bro.
I vape going in mud.
You're trying to go. Alright.
Oh, there we go. We're homies again.
No, you're real weird,
That's some sus shit right there, if you ask me.
I'm fucking.
Oh, he threw the beanie in the mud.
Hey, waterproof.
Ah!
Come this way, Dooley.
Mud fight.
Dooley, this
Mud
way.
fight. Yeah.
He went down. He's past the fence.
Thorns, bro. It's like a whole briar bush right there.
Buddy fell over the fence.
Motherfucker.
Barbed wire and shit. How was it on the other side?
He fell through the fucking fence.
Somebody come move this one out, my goddamn.
No, hell no.
He looks like a monkey.